Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the dead on arrival brand of mouse glue traps. Yes. Okay, well, this is the deal. What happened was with me, I had a mouse problem in my attic about I don't know, when I first got this place about maybe 5 years ago. And we would hear the mice running all over the place every night. You'd hear scampering on the between the walls and on the ceiling, and just in my attic. It was just all night, like there was a party going on, and it was bad. And I was like, oh God, okay, I have to get up there and see what's going on. So I went up there and I saw that there was mice droppings literally all over the place. So I'll say, okay, I got a mouse problem. I didn't see any in, the regular, living quarters of my house, but in the attic, yeah, it was happening. I was gonna go out and buy just that regular mouse trap, the one with the metal thing that goes pop and snaps the neck of the mouse, but I'm kind of an animal lover kind of guy, not too much, but I just don't like animals to suffer, anything like that. So I was trying to think of all these different ways to actually make this a sanitary way of getting rid of them. I tried a few things, even like a actual box trap that actually would trap the mouse inside of a box, but that didn't catch him at all. You put like some cheese or something in there, or some kind of a bait, and it just didn't work. So I was frustrated, and I was just gonna go get the regular trap, and I said, okay, be done with it, it's quick. But then I came upon this glue trap, and I was like, oh, I see. Okay, and you see the picture, the mouse is stuck on the trap, and it's just sticky, and it's just super sticky. And I'm thinking, okay, they'll just be stuck on there, and that's it. That's how it's gonna be, and that's not bad. Okay, I could, do it, put it up there, and they could get trapped, and I could just kind of somehow pull them off and put them outside or something like that, Okay, so what I did was I actually put it up there, and it's like this. You see these trays here, which are not very big, have this real sticky glue on there, and it's super sticky. It is going to stick anything that touches it. I mean, I don't even want to touch it with my hands because it is very super sticky. Okay, so I put it up there one evening, and lo and behold, it didn't take long at all for this to actually work. It worked right away. The next morning, I went and checked it, and there was 3 mice in here trapped, and it was something. But check this out. This is what was kind of hard for me. It wasn't so much like the picture here when I saw them trapped. It was kind of sad. It was pretty sad. It was not just their feet, but their faces, and some of them, the whole side of their head was stuck in there. One's mouth was completely stuck on the glue, so it kind of looked like it suffocated, and it was a sad sight. I was very disturbed by how everything on the mouse was just glued to the thing. I mean, it was their heads were glued in there, and they couldn't get it out, and it looked like they suffered. I mean, and 2 of them were still alive, and there was one that, his mouth was on there. I guess he suffocated. That was pretty bad. So when I saw that, I was just very, very disturbed by it, and it bothered me. It really did. It did the job, though. I mean, it caught them quickly, and there's no vapors or any kind of bait you need to put down or anything like that, or any kind of chemical smell or anything like that. You just put it there. You can put it anywhere in your attic, in your cabinets, anything, and it will do the job. It was just that the sight of them being stuck on there like that was just bad for me. So it kind of made me think like, okay, well, if I ever have this problem again, I probably won't use this because of tender heart. But if you don't care about that kind of thing, this is the thing for you. It really, really gets them, and it gets them quick. And they're not going to go anywhere once they're stuck. I mean, this stuff is really, really sticky. Yeah, and it works. Yeah. Okay, well, that is the Dead on Arrival mouse glue traps. Yeah. Hope you guys use this information. All right. I'll talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.